Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to log the gimbal movement on DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's begin! So, as you can see, let's say that I want to focus fully on these geese that you can see on my little phone. I'm going to show you how to do this on the application and on the camera itself. Now, as you can see, by default, if we are moving our gimbal around, it doesn't really stay focused, and maybe we do want that to stay focused. And of course, there is a possibility that you want to go into the settings, and then you want to go, not here, but you want to go into add subject, and then it would automatically trace that subject. But if you want to just quickly try to record something specific, all you want to do is press and hold the joystick here. So I'm now going to press and hold joystick, and as you can see, no matter how I will rotate it, our gimbal will try its best to stay focused on our little geese here. Even though if I will try to rotate it like this, or in another direction, it will try to keep up. Of course, if we rotate it way too much, it will slowly begin to descend because it's physically impossible for it to keep up. As you can see, gimbal tilted axis reached movement maximum. And the moment we release it, everything goes back to normal. And you can do the same thing on application, and it's the exact same. You want to just press and hold the joystick. And as you can see, I can also move around my gimbal here, and it will try to keep as much detail and as best frame as possible, even some rapid movement. Of course, the more rapid movement, the higher, the lowest possibility that it will keep up. But as you can see, well, it did break. But generally speaking, this is very, very good. And it's just a useful tool. So yeah, that's all for this tutorial. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.